Number 24 on page number 6.56. Sangeeta, Saroj and Shanti are partners sharing in the ratio 5:3:2. Shanti retired and on the date of her retirement following adjustments were agreed. So these are certain adjustments given which is related to the increase and decrease in assets and liabilities, and we all know that the increase and decrease in assets are recorded in revaluation account. We have to pass the necessary journal entries related to the revaluation account. So the first one is the value of furniture is to be increased by 12,000. So increase will be recorded in the credit side of revaluation account. The value of stock to be decreased by 10,000, that will be recorded in the debit side. Machinery of book value 50,000 is to be reduced by, this is again decrease, so decrease again will be recorded in the debit side of revaluation account. Provision of 5% is to be created on debtors, increase in liabilities there, so again it will be recorded in the debit side. Unrecorded investment, unrecorded, now it is to be recorded, it means increase in the asset, and that will be recorded in the credit side of revaluation account. And the last one is an item of ₹1,000 included in bills payable is not likely to be claimed. Bills payable, that is the liability, it is not going to be claimed, it means decrease in liability, again it will be in the credit side of the revaluation account. I told the sides, debit and credit side. In the journal entry, just opposite thing will be looking at, that is furniture account will be debited, unrecorded investments account debit, bills payable account debit, to revaluation. So to revaluation I have written, it means these all items are going in the credit side of revaluation account. Similarly, next entry is revaluation account debit, to stock, to machinery, to provision for doubtful debts. Since these are written in the 2 of journal entry, that will go in the debit side of revaluation account. So here I have also shown that for these entries are for the decrease in liability and increase in assets, and this entry is for the decrease in assets and increase in liabilities. Now what we observe is here revaluation stands at 23,000 and here the revaluation is 17,000. Still there is a difference, so that is the profit which we are getting. So for distribution of that profit in the old ratio, that will be the entry is revaluation account debit by 6,000, the difference, to Sangeeta's capital, to Saroj's capital and to Shanti's capital. This will be in the old ratio.